Hey guys, this is my unboxing from Evike. I ordered this package a week after Christmas. So not week, but that same week of Christmas, around the 29th, I believe, or 28th, but somewhere around that time. I placed the order around that time. It didn't got confirmed until New Year's, the day after New Year, the day after New Year's, and then from there on, I waited a week till today. So it's been a long time since I waited for this, almost about 10 days because of the holidays, which I'm not really complaining. It's my fault for ordering really late. But this total package cost me $169 in total. And let's open it. So okay. So first up is the vest. This is the Matrix MOLLE Ready tactical vest. On the website, they said if this was in back order, or not on the website yet. But Matrix vest. My shims, Matrix shims. Yeah, my shimmings. My Evike patch, and the Philippine flag. I got some knee pads. It's really big, but I don't know how they look on me yet. They're in black. They come in different colors. They're from OD to ACU to tan, but I got the black one instead. My holster, pistol holster, and this is the leg drop one. A Matrix ID plank for this Velcro, because I believe the vest doesn't have Velcro on it. I got three 120 Midcaps tan version, plastic. A tan hat, SWAT hat cap, and I believe I'm gonna put my flag on here. So yeah. A Spartan Doctrine suppressor, pretty small. Who's complaining? But tan Special Forces. This is a cool one. I forgot what brand is this. Whoa, that was weird. I think this is oh my bad. Magazines are Elite Force, and this thing is forgot. Yeah. And these are my .20 gram Matrix Evike BBs. One bag of those. I think these are also Matrix. Mesh guard, lower half. A calendar they always put on these, and in fact, due to the holiday season, they give out these extended warranty for their products or returns. So November 20. Okay, first. Okay, So yeah, so if you order anything between these 2 days, January 20th to November 20th to January 1st, I guess they added a inspection thing, whatever, but okay. And this is new. They're adding booklets to their. What's this? Oh, nice. It's a wallpaper. Yeah. A quick review. These mags are for my scar right now, but my scar is disassembled. If you could see that. That's my D-boy scar. I'm working on it right now. Trying to adjust the trying to shim the gearbox right now, so I'm working on that. That's why. So pretty neat. Oh, there's the lower half of the scar, and oh, cool. Not that bad. Bit loose, but I'm not sure with the gears inside or any and everything, but it's cool. Mags now. And it smells funny. This is the Matrix. I forgot what it's called. Yeah. Okay. But this is Matrix MOLLE ready vest. It already has pouches built in. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 double stack mags. Yeah, there's no Velcro anywhere. So, yeah, but that's the vest. This is in tan. My hat is in tan. SWAT cap. The ID plank goes right here with patches. Mags, shims, Matrix, mesh face, Elite Force mags, Evike beanies, a Spartan Doctrine suppressor, knee pads, Condor knee pads. Ooh, soft. But yeah. The quick release knee pads. And a drop leg holster from I don't really know. Oh, Firedragon holster. So, drop leg. It has pouches on it already, so it's pretty cool. And this is removable. All this are removable, so you can attach it to your anywhere else. You just have yourself just the rig itself. So that's neat. So yeah, that's pretty much all the things I bought from Evike. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions for this product, let me know, and I'll do a review on them if you want. And I'm gonna try these on. So, alright, guys. Peace.